Well, if you love Hermès and if you love especially Hermès scarves, you found the right video. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for clicking my video again, and I had so much fun doing this video. It's very fast-paced, colorful and lighthearted, and it seems sometimes it really is extremely difficult to stay lighthearted in these times. I think while it's very important to help, it's also very important to keep your happiness. So and I actually think videos like that are just perfect to forget everything around you for a moment. Oh, and that one is Hermès Story, and I think this design is such a favorite this season. Especially the black and the brown colorways are super popular, and it definitely is a very fun and cute addition. It's by a rather new designer to Hermès, by Jonathan Burton. I think he's a really good designer. And this is only his second scarf design for Hermès, and I'm sure we're going to see more of him. Oh, I love that one. That's the marble silk one. It's actually the only item in this video from Fall/Winter 2021 collection officially, but I think these marble silk items are pretty timeless. I think that's one of my favorite buys. That one is made in Japan, and the technique is just really cool and unique. And I think I might have to do craft and different techniques videos, so that one will definitely be in it. And I also love this format. It's the 90cm one. That's actually the classic Hermès scarf size, and I sometimes feel like the 140 cashmeres overpower me a little bit, and that's definitely not the case with the 90, and yes, I love it. And it's always the same. I have a concept for a video, I film an intro, and then something new comes in that I just have to show in this video as well because it's a perfect fit. And I really need to show you that one. It's the new Spring Summer 2022 Marble Silk edition, and it's definitely a very gorgeous one. I didn't know that one was coming, and it's not only a marble silk, it's also a jacquard, so there's a lot of depth in this design. And the main design that was used here is Brie de Gala, and that's actually, I think, one of Hermès' most printed designs, and some people even don't want to buy something in this design anymore because they think it's too cliché Hermès. I think it's a very classic design. Also, what I really love is that one has more of a creamy base, so it's not a snow white. So I'm really lucky with that one, and also I think those marble silk colors that are always really bright colors, they kind of suit me, so I just love it. So these are the Hermès Eze Sandals, and I'm pretty sure that's a reference to a very lovely village at the Côte d'Azur. These are very true to size, at least for me. Oh, and that's second 90 silk for me this season by a new illustrator at Hermès. This scarf is by Mach&Mach. It's called Isola di Primavera, and I think it's pretty easy to see that this artist does a lot of ceramics in his regular artist career, and I really like it. I think it instantly gives me spring summer vibes, and I think, well, especially in this colorway, it's very quiet, but it's also very chic, and I've been wearing it a lot, and also I'll be wearing it a lot. So this is such a pretty and fun cashmere. It's Dignitiaire by Loewe, and it's a very classic Hermès design, and that one is a bandana version, but it's a colorful bandana version, so very cool and very fun. And so with those shoes, I just jumped on the bandwagon with these. These are from Mach&Mach, and they're really cute. But this beautiful cashmere also comes in a few less bright colorways. These are maybe easier to implement in your wardrobe, and there's definitely one for everyone, so I really like it. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to hit the like button if you want to see me again. I'm an artist, and I obviously not only love to do fun and artsy videos, I also love to buy a thing or two from the current collections, and well, I'm also working on my own collection, but this is going to be taking a bit. And I hope to see you again very soon at my channel with my next video.